Hey y'all, so this is going to be an interesting one. I'm going to pick up the iPhone 13 Pro, 256 gigabytes, and when I come back, I'm going to do the same setup. Right now, this camera right here is an iPhone 6S, 16 gigabytes.
16 gigabytes.
So it's going to be a major upgrade. I'm using Filmic Pro, and right now, the screen looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good. I'm using an Elgato Cam Link 4K. Everything looks good. So I just want to do a little experiment to see the quality of the stream, even though I'm not actually streaming now, because I don't know how I'd manage a stream test versus a stream test. And when I come back, I will show you the phone, and we're going to see if the quality is the same and all of that good stuff. I'm also going to record in 4K right now. I'm going to do the same thing with the iPhone 13 Pro, and we'll see how we look. I'll see you in an hour, but it'll probably be like this. All right, let's get this puppy open. Hello, puppets. So I'm now using the iPhone 13 Pro, and I'm going to open this guy. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to record on the phone now. Looks great on the screen. I'm going to record, and we're going to see how that looks. All right, so I am thrilled. The iPhone 6S probably actually did pretty well, but the iPhone 13 did really, really well. When you saw when it got to the close-up, the iPhone 13 Pro totally blew the iPhone 6S out of the water. So I'm excited. I'm excited to get to work and not have to constantly upload my files to the computer because my other one was so the storage was so small. So really excited about this. I have a lot more tutorials coming up. They're going to be using my gingerbread stamp brushes. Pick those up. They're on Gumroad and they're on Etsy now as well. And we can do some fun holiday stuff together. But that concludes my equipment upgrade from iPhone 6S to iPhone 13 Pro. And I'm looking forward to 2022. Now I have all the good stuff. We're going to make some really awesome videos. All right. Keep drawing. I will catch you all in the next video. All right, so let's get this puppy. That's embarrassing.
Will you put me in the microwave?
Yep, you're in the microwave.